says no e-bikes. E! It does not say anything about gas bikes. Guys, let's go on an adventure. Take the old Loaner out. Went ahead and fixed on that speedometer. Of course, it's in like a really terrible position now. But because it killed itself on that bike ride, I really don't care. I just need it to record. 10 miles to go. Less than that. It's like recent ATV tracks to me. Someone's having fun out there. We're 2 miles from the mark. On a mountaintop. Looks like they moved the steel gongs. I think I can see them. I might just ride over there and see for myself. Actually was just on this dang road, but well, we gotta make 100 miles, don't we? Honestly, don't see any problem with any bikes up here. So far, so good. Not be as fun as a dirt bike, but it sure is accessible to getting into places. But it's exciting in different ways. And the reliability is, I mean, it's okay. I can't say my blaster does much better. The last time I took her out, she lost the damn Kickstarter lever. The nut came off and I went to kick it and then the lever fell off, and well, obviously I didn't lose the lever, but I could have. It was right on the verge. Even the Yamaha don't always last. The freedom. Anywhere you want to go. What a sight. I think that old camper refrigerator down there is what we were seeing. Not a very reactive target.